Hi, and thanks for joining us for Hamilton County Public Health at Work. One of the more important roles of public health is working with restaurants, schools, and food service facilities to maintain safe, sanitary conditions. Foodborne illness is a major threat to public health. With millions of food service meals served every day, imagine the potential for harm if preparation and serving conditions went unchecked. Hamilton County Public Health maintains a robust and vigorous food program focusing on our mantra of education over enforcement. We work closely with more than 2,300 food service operations in the county to maintain safe food environments. The best of the best are eligible to apply for our coveted Clean Kitchen Award, a sign to patrons of the facility that they take food safety seriously. I invite you to visit us online at www.hcph.org to learn more about our food program and view up-to-the-minute reporting on the facilities in our area. Thank you, and have a healthy day.
Welcome to a clean kitchen. As nice as this kitchen looks, it didn't get that way by accident. It takes effort and diligence to keep food service facilities clean and to ensure the dining public is safe from potentially harmful health conditions associated with unsanitary environments. Please join us as we show you what goes into ensuring public health through careful inspection of food service facilities. Every inspection begins with a good, thorough hand washing, using soap, warm water, and washing for at least 20 seconds. Dry your hands thoroughly and use paper towels to shut off water once your hands are clean. Dishwashing equipment is checked to make sure wash temperatures meet appropriate standards to effectively clean and sanitize dishes and utensils. Sanitarians always inspect under and around all surfaces to make sure areas are clean and free from pests. They also make sure that cooking and cleaning surfaces are securely attached to walls. Not only is this a safe practice, but it also helps kitchen staff make sure that dirt, food, and debris don't become lodged behind surfaces. Now we're looking at a classic 3-sink system. Each sink serves a specific purpose, one each for washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. Inspectors also pay close attention to the chemicals used for each of these jobs, making sure they flow into the correct sinks and that pH levels are adequate to ensure effective cleansing and sanitizing. With flashlight in hand, the inspector takes a careful look into cabinets and storage areas to make sure they are properly cleaned and free of dirt and debris. Ice makers can be particular problem areas in that they need to be regularly and thoroughly cleaned, making sure there is no spillage, the ice chest seals properly, and the unit is functioning. Equally important is the plumbing behind the ice maker. In the event of a sewer backup, it's important to make sure that no waste materials find their way into the ice maker. Refrigeration units are examined carefully to make sure that sealing gaskets are doing their jobs to maintain food at optimum temperatures for safety and to minimize bacterial growth. Temperatures are observed both in the refrigeration unit and in food products as well. Storage and holding temperature is a crucial component of maintaining a clean and healthy food service operation. And of course, equipment must be cleansed after inspecting food. Equally as important are cooking and warm storage areas. Are stoves and ovens free from foodstuffs and debris? What about the areas around the warm surfaces? Similar to refrigeration, proper temperature maintenance is just as important when cooking and storing hot foods to prevent the growth of bacteria. Examining kitchen cleaners and other chemicals is an important step in the inspection process. Are chemicals properly labeled and kept away from storage and preparation areas so they don't contaminate food? Dry storage areas for shelf-stable foods, condiments, dishes, and utensils also must be kept in order and appropriately cleaned to maintain safe and sanitary kitchens. At the end of the inspection, Hamilton County Public Health sanitarians develop a thorough report that they share with kitchen management. The theme of the inspection is education over enforcement. Immediately sharing findings with kitchen staff allows for a complete understanding of what the inspector is looking for and provides kitchen staff an immediate opportunity to make any necessary corrections to their operations. All food service inspection data is maintained on a daily basis and is available for viewing online. If you're deciding on a place to eat or would like to see how the food service facilities in your area are doing with maintaining sanitary conditions, we invite you to visit us online anytime.